Good afternoon, Mike Ehrlich from Lighthouse Point, Florida. Today I want to take you through this 2016 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage, powered by twin 225 Verados. 243 hours on the engines. This boat does have the fishing package, which includes those rod holders on the transom, as well as a live well under the seat and the tow rails and trays. You also have 4 rod holders in the gunnel, as well as rocket launchers on the optional fiberglass hardtop. You'll notice a towing bit up there for skiing or tubing. There is a table that drops in there or the bow. Entertainment center with sink and refrigerator. Helm chair that swivels, armrests that go up and down, and a thigh-rise bolster. Digital throttle and shift with sync and 1 lever operation. Touch panel, touchscreen GPS with fish finder. 243 hours on the engines, Marine VHF, as well as a Fusion stereo with JL audio speakers throughout. On the port console, you have your vacuum flush head, sink, countertop, trash chute here on the starboard side, as well as storage that can be accessed behind that door or through the front seats. Full seating up front. A shower here in the front. And a windlass. That concludes our tour of this 27 Boston Whaler Vantage.